Hey guys, we received this multi-charging cables for test and try, 2 packs, 4 feet. This is a USB cable multi-charging cord with a 3-in-1 charging ports. Like this have a micro USB, this have type C and a lightning cable port. So this has a braided nylon cable as you can see it here, and this is a universal charger for any phone. So as you can see it here, this is the nylon braided thing with the three cables in here, and this is a type C for the only charging. This is a lightning for the MFI support or the CarPlay, and a micro with only charging thing. So this is a USB-A connector that goes into the adapter. So I'm just trying to show you all these things. So you have to remember like micro USB and the type C is both charging, but the lightning cable can be used or support the data sync as well. So I'm just putting it to the lightning cable and then start charging with the iPhone for the micro USB-C. Oh, sorry, this is a USB-C for the Android, and there's a micro USB cable as well. So this is all charging well, and this really nice cable to have. They have the everything, and the 2 pack really sounds good.